Hola. No. Espera. No me importa, cállate ya. Ya te lo dije, Páez no está aquí. Bueno, no está ahora. Es que no apareció, no es un fantasma. ¡Localízalo! ¡Ay, idiota!
Clear. Overlord, this is Hunter. We're at the rendezvous, but no sign of the package.
Copy that. What's the situation?
Messy. House is ransacked. Paez must have bugged out.
Understood. We'll track his cell and try to get a fix on him.
What do we do in the meantime?
Keep our eyes open and get ready to do some hunting.
Hunter, Overlord, we've got Paez on comms. Patching him through directly.
Hello? Are you there?
Mr. Paez, my team's at the rendezvous, ready to get you out.
Someone tip them off. They're after me. I'm on the move. You'll have to come to me. Demarc it. Hurry.
Go, get moving.
Seguramente yo soy un mejor soldado.
Move to cover. Stay out of sight. Hold your fire. We need to see if there are any more around. Deploy a sensor. That'll give us a better idea.
Hostiles, check your right. 30 hostiles. Round.
¡Cuidado!
His history. Move out of my way.
There he is. Visual on Paez. Get a sensor online.
Sensor out. 12 o'clock. Hostile contact. Dead ahead.
Abran bien los ojos. Búsquenlo al Páez. Tiene que estar por aquí.
Protect the VIP. Engage all hostiles.
That got their attention. Dead ahead! Hostile down!
You gringos are gonna give me teeth.
Straight ahead! Arrivalman! Reloading! He's down! They're moving to cover!
Hurry up.
Sensors up! Got it! Target down! We're in block! Up on the scaffolding! Bruce, on the
Hunter, this is Twisting. We're gonna make an attempt at the LZ, see if we can pull the VIP out.
Twisting, be advised. LV is hot.
Understood, Hunter. We'll do our best.
Hurry up.
RPG!
Watch it, incoming! Sorry, Hunter, it's too
¡Lárguense ya, cabrones, o les mato! ¡Váyanse ya! ¡Lárganse ahorita!
Open fire!
¡Under heavy fire! ¡Disparen! ¡Disparen!
He's ready at FG! Form up on me. We've got some climbing to do.
Hunter, Overlord. We've got a fix on the VIP cell signal. We'll keep track of him for you.
Copy that. You sure he's worth the trouble?
That's a negative. But DIA wants him, so we deliver.
He knows we're the good guys, right?
He knows we're his only way out. That's gonna have to be good enough.
Doesn't seem too happy about it.
If he survives, I'll be sure to remind him of his good fortune.
Let's see what's inside. Get a sensor in there. Hostiles. Set up to breach. 9 o'clock. 1, he's got an assault rifle.
Ojalá que te manden a otro lado, al menos así dejaré de oírte parloteando todo el día.
Add 3 hostiles.
He oído que más al norte se...
Go, go, go! He's down! That's a kill. Overlord Hunter, you got a status on the package?
Still on the move. Thermals are showing a lot of activity. The whole area's stirred up.
Search parties?
Mixed with civilians. Watch yourselves. Watch your targets.
Roger that. Go, get moving.
Get out of here now.
Go, Dad! Watch it, they're moving! On the move! I've got him pinned! 12 o'clock! Hostile down! Target down! Sensor out! I'm moving to cover! Take shot, watch it! Be quick, stay out of the open. Move from cover to cover. I'm pinned down. I'll get you clear. Hostile, 3 o'clock! Watch that light vehicle. Watch that fixed MG! 3 o'clock! Frag out! Copy, frag on the way! Out of the way!
How much longer?
We're working our way to you, sir. Just be cool.
Your people told me they were sending the best. I hate to see your B team.
We're close. A couple more minutes, we'll have you out of there. Come on, Ghost. Get it together. Come on, Ghost. Good work. Lead, moving to cover. Suppressing. Hostile, on the roof. Deploying sensor. They're on the move. Target down. Finish them, come on! Contact, get ahead! Window, watch the window! Nailed one. Hostile down.
¡Ahí! ¡Justo ahí! ¡Ahora lo veo! ¡Fuego de contención!
Moving! I gotta reload! I got a pin! 9 o'clock!
¡Veo uno! ¡Está justo ahí!
Frag out! Copy, frag out!
¡Atención, granada!
Straight ahead!
Civilians, stay focused on me. What the hell are you doing?
We're clearing about a long way, sir. Sit tight. Come on, under here. Watch your heads. Come on, let's move! Keep moving! Take out that arm! He's down! It's done! Let's finish this! I'm moving! The roof! On the roof! RPG, watch it! Hostiles are moving! 12 o'clock! Scratch one! I'm suppressing! That's all of them.
This is Paez. Can you hear me?
We read you, sir. Go ahead.
I'm at the safe house. How much longer?
2, maybe 3 minutes. Are you secure?
No, they're right outside.
We don't want them to hear us coming. Switch to suppressed. Just stay calm, all right? Keep your head down.
I should never have trusted you. Your people give me assurances.
Sir, I assure you we'll get you out. If you do what I tell you.
Just hurry.
Fire! Fire! Come on, Ghost, we gotta move.
Got a pair of riflemen here.
Location.
Near that pile of rubble.
Deploy sensors. We've got 3 more hostiles. Don't set off any alarms or they'll kill the VIP. There's one more. Up there in the tower. On the move. We got light contact. 3 o'clock.
Dropped him.
If they see us, they'll kill them for sure.
Back one. Just knocked one of their men down.
Moving! Cover! They're on the move! Gotta reload! He's down! Deploy sensors.
2 hostiles. Both with assault rifles.
Don't set off any alarms or they'll kill the VIP.
There's another hostile.
Location.
Kill confirmed.
If they see us, they'll kill them for sure. 3 more. Over on our right. See the shipping container? Right by it. You're gonna get spotted. Careful. We got some contact. Looks like found a man down. They're on alert. Hostile down! Moving! Cover! Deploy sensors. 2 hostiles armed with assault rifles. Don't set off any alarms or they'll kill the VIP. Heads up, 3 more. If they see us, they'll kill them for sure. I'm moving. Couple of hostiles here. Back behind us. Watch it. You're about to get spotted.
Mi tío me va a ascender a jefe de pelotón la próxima semana.
Dropped him.
They'll shoot Paez if they know we're coming, so let's make sure they don't.
Location confirmed. He's in there.
What's the count?
4, plus the VIP.
Stack up. We'll go in fast. Check your targets. Execute, execute, execute.
¡El enemigo está acá! ¡Ah, you sons of bitches! Ah!
Overlord, Hunter, we have the package.
Roger that, Hunter.
They'll shoot Paez if they know we're coming, so let's make sure they don't.
Location confirmed. He's in there.
What's the count? Execute, execute, execute.
¡Ah, el enemigo está acá! ¡Ah, you sons of bitches! Ah!
Overlord, Hunter, we have the package.
Roger that, Hunter. Twisting took damage. She's airborne, but we can't risk the
You
bird
call this a
again.
rescue?
The alternate LZ's too hot. We'll have to go contingency.
Change of plans. We're headed back downhill.
Move, move! I can walk on my own!
Hold here.
At least give me a weapon! I can fight!
We don't need you getting shot again, sir. Form up around the VIP. Diamond formation.
All right, let's go!